What is up, my friends? Yeah, I missed that too. Anyway, just wanted to pop in here and say hello. What's up? What's cracking? What's booty slacking? We're still safe and, you know, following the rules, staying at home, being safe. And I know I haven't uploaded a video that has me talking in it, you know, like my previous videos of where I chit chat with you guys, and it's been kind of weird. I've been in such a like weird atmosphere, but I'm getting back into the usual and trying to just figure out new ways of how to get this content out. But yeah, as you can see here, my video will pick up in a bit, and I just wanted to say, like, hope you guys are doing well, hope you guys are staying safe. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know, comment down below, like this video, you know, help your girl out. Bye.
Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy weren't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team. I know you can't relax, and you don't want me to know that. I see you work real hard. You wanna help your friends, but trust me, baby, you don't owe them. Don't take on people's problems. I wanna see you smile, even when you think I'm angry. It's true, it might take a while, but it's between you and me. I know you check my texts. Don't you worry about my ex. I might be on his mind, but I'll never reply. Remember on the weekend, I said I'll make some changes, and you said you'd do the same thing. And I don't wanna fight my king. I held you when you was weak. You caught me on my knees. Don't pressure me for some kids, and I won't pressure you for marriage. I know it's never the right time, but we're gonna